风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
让我们来听听客家和世界上的节庆会碰撞出什么有趣的火花。
Hey, what's up? It's time for the World of Hakka here on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin. And did you know in the month of June, Iceland celebrates their National Day on the 17th, but they also hold something called the Viking Festival to teach people how to throw spears and axes, shoot with bows and arrows, and also a wood carving workshop is in place, just like how the Vikings did in the good old days. Now, here in Taiwan, in southern Taiwan, there's an area known as Liudui, and that area used to be where Hakka would reside, and they would defend their own land and create 6 different areas. Now, this month in June, they also have the Liudui Festival. So I have Mei Zhang right here to tell us more about it. Hello, Mei Zhang.
Hi, 大家好，我是Mei Zhang。
这个冰岛有这个围巾节。
对。
那在南台湾，我们客家人有六堆日，是不是？
对，在屏东。
蛮异曲同工之妙，因为他们也是宝乡卫土嘛，对不对？那以前这个维京人呢，也是算是北欧的勇士们嘛，那在这个时候办这个节日，当然是饮水思源之外啊，而且很多活动可以让大家参加嘛，对不对？
没错，六堆日啊，六堆日啊，就是为了纪念这些宝乡卫土的用司嘛。所以呢，不只是呢有纪念他们之外呢 ，VTPA 办很多的发通活动，让大家去感受到哈嘎给文化、客家文化。
没错。
那说到活动，其实我觉得跟围巾节非常有连结，就是手工艺品。
对，这些都一定要有的，对不对？可以亲手自己去做的。
除了手工艺品之外，还有都得弹来听的音乐。所以客家的文化呢，我们就会加入什么呢？哈嘎传统音乐，还有冲山歌、唱山歌。那手工艺品呢？你有喝过擂茶吗？
当然有啊，而且要自己做更有体验感，你知道吗？
那你有穿过染染吗？
这个也有蓝染嘛，
对，还有木雕，
木雕，没错，这些都是可以去亲手去体验，可以去制作跟来饮用那样子，
没有错。
其实，在维京节这边也有很多类似这样的活动，我想说刚刚没有时间没有介绍，但是他们的音乐美食呢也是相当的丰富的那我们就来教几个我们提到这些单词好了 ，OK？ 包括我们讲的勇士 ，right？ It's all about the warriors, whether it be the Vikings or the Hakka。勇士怎么说？
用丝。
用丝 ，OK？And then you can enjoy some blue dye products， 蓝染。
蓝染。
蓝染。Also do some wood carving, 木雕. And finally, you got to drink their special lei tea.
擂茶.
An event for the whole family to enjoy. Hope you learned a little bit more about the Hakka and the Icelandic people. Thank you for listening.
什么大家？
俺是谁？
张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.